Did you know a Korean admiral won a naval battle of 13 ships against 333 after being tortured and imprisoned by his own king? Yi Sun-sin had already saved Korea once. He designed iron-plated warships called turtle ships, and he crushed Japan's first invasion fleet before it could reach land. So the king had him arrested, accused him of treason, had him beaten. Then Japan invaded again. Desperate, the king released Yi and gave him what was left of the navy. 13 ships. The Japanese fleet had 333. Yi found a narrow strait called Myeongyang. He studied the current. He knew the tide would shift and trap the enemy's massive fleet, making their numbers useless. He sailed out alone first to draw them in. It worked. The Japanese lost 31 ships and never recovered. Korea held. But Yi Sun-sin did not live to see through the celebration. He was struck by a bullet in the final moments of his final battle. His last order was to keep beating the war drum so his men wouldn't stop fighting.